Yes. Alright. What's going on, guys? It's John with VR Outdoors. Here at the back of my truck, got a new upgrade for the truck. It's going to be installing these Molle Panels.
Excellent, Basil. We've been trying for years to get a mole inside Dr. Evil's lair. We now have that mole.
Yes. Ah, and here he is.
So you're the mole.
So, let's get right into it. So, what a Molle Panel is kind of a like pegboard, kind of like modular system for the sides of the truck to add more storage features. Should be able to like bolt, you know, anything onto it, loose tools, propane tanks and stuff like that. So it's pretty straightforward. Another box. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, I'm in. Foam and such. Materials, mounting hardware, more mounting hardware, some straps, more mounting hardware, a lot of mounting hardware. Doesn't seem like you would need that much. So essentially the idea behind a Molle Panel.
By the way, I realize that I have a large mole on my face. Where? What? Where's that mole? I didn't see one.
It's not going to be put behind the toolbox because there's no room, but I'll get you a closer look in here.
Yeah, good catch.
Goes up against the back, and then you can strap, like, you know, your tools up here, and then so it's strapped up. I can strap a propane tank to this and it ain't gonna go anywhere, and that's it. So let's see what it's gonna take to get these installed. So it seems like a pretty straightforward process. Apparently all you do is just pop these out. Okay, yeah. Let's pop 3 of these out. Take these guys. Here. I think there'd be a washer for this. I guess it's got like a built-in washer. So, oof. Does it? Oh, nice. Nice. I don't know if you can see, but I definitely would not recommend trying to put that in there first and then putting the U-bracket on, because if you drop that in there, it's gone, man. So it's pretty easy if you just put the nut on first, like the video says, a little bit on, and then kind of just slide it in there, long end first. It fits in there, it kind of corrects itself, and then tighten her up. So it comes with these little white cards, and there's 6 of them. So what I would imagine is you kind of put that behind the black plate to kind of give it a water guard. Which makes sense. So we're gonna quickly take those off and then put these on there and put them back on. But these white cards actually stop, if you do put it in without the U-bracket, stop it from falling back in there. So definitely good to have. Okay, I just wanted the gray piece to be up and down, and then the white piece to be side to side so you can't really see it. Makes it a little easier. All right, so it's got 2 different size panels. Long, you know, the longer bottom one goes in the back. This triangular guy goes up front. So make sure you don't get confused and try to switch them around. All right, these panels are easy. You just put, you know, the loose fitting bolts or the bigger bolts. It comes with 2 size bolts, but throw some washers on them, I think. And then kind of just fit them in there. You can keep the U-bolts in the back slightly loose fitted so that you can move these around. Oh yeah, that hurts the old back. Pop this one in here. And then just throw this one in here. There we go. I'm gonna get these as tight as possible. Level those up, and then just get it all pretty tight. All right, so once you get everything kind of square to your liking, you can come in here and then buckle down on your U-bolts. Come in and tighten these if you like the looks of them. Also got these things, which I assume they go in the top to kind of hold them together. So it's got these. It wants you to take there and then put it right there. So, like this. And then it says, do this. And we'll probably just do this, this, and this. Alright, make sure you loose fit everything. I'm gonna go get lunch. So, got everything all buttoned up, got the clips on the things and stuff. As you can see, plenty of room to still put on your straps and stuff on these. So that makes it nice. And that, pulling on that pretty good. And she's on there. So that's gonna be nice. I'm gonna do the other side and then put some stuff on it. So, but right now I gotta go to work. See you then. All right, I got 3 sides of the mold panel.
Molle.
Done, buttoned up. I want to do this side, but I got the toolbox thing in the way, so I'm probably going to have to modify the very last piece, which is not something I'm going to be doing now, but that's going to get on there eventually so that I can have all 4 on there with the toolbox. So let's see how I'm going to put some stuff on this. Okay, so say I want to get something on here. It comes with some of these straps that I can strap it to, or I can cut off some provided Velcro bits off of this long piece. I also got the strap with, where'd they go? Strap with the buckles there, so you can just make your own strap as long as you need it. Buckle it in, buckle it out, easy peasy. Put some of this stuff on and let's see how it looks. Okay, so I got my tools up. These ain't clunking around on the back anymore. They fit pretty good. Got them strapped in. Machete, zombie apocalypse tool there, shovel, hatchet, and the old gaff, which helps me grab things out of the back of the truck. So I don't have to crawl up in here like a short goober. So anyways, here's the mold panel.
Molle. Oh, shut up!
I'm gonna put a couple extra things on there. Got some extra straps. Still got these straps, strap all sorts of stuff to it. And these will help me with like propane tanks and stuff. So that's it. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments what you think about the Molle panels.
Jolly good work.
Yes, nice to mole you. Meet you. Nice to meet you, mole. Don't say mole.
Stop.
I said mole.
Stop.
And I'll see you next time on Deer Outdoors.
Bye, mole. Molle, 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 molle.